Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can open iOS files on your Mac. So there are three easy methods. So the first method is just open ISO by double click, it's built in. So what you need to do is just locate the iOS file on your Mac and then double click on the iOS file, and then the iOS will automatically mount as a virtual disk. And then you need to open the Finder and click New Disk that appears on the left sidebar. After that, you can now view and open up the files inside iOS. So now the second method is just using disk utility. You just gotta open up Finder and then you gotta go to Applications and then open Utility folders. And after that, you need to open and launch disk utility. Once you do that, you gotta check Files on the top menu and select disk image. After that, you need to choose iOS file and click Open. And then you need to mount and appear in the Finder. So now the third and final method is just simply extract iOS files. It's optional, but if you want to extract files instead of mounting, what you can do is just download an archiver from Mac App Store and then install and open it, and then right click on iOS file and then select open and then open the an archiver, and then the contents will be extracted into folder. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.